Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I was thinking of doing a painting session on this sketchbook. This is a new sketchbook which I haven't started yet, and it's the Canson graduate manga sketchbook. So it is meant for illustrations, probably using markers and stuff. And the GSM I think is 200 GSM, and it's like almost an A4 size. So I was thinking of doing something either on the first page or a full spread. So let's see. I'm trying to sketch with the base color of the object. So in case this is a flower, the flower is lilac-y color. So I just painted with that. So sketch with that, and I'm using Faber Castell Polychromos pencil to sketch. And this is my swatch sheet. I'm using the chisel tip. Like sometimes do like the effect the chisel side gives, like a more painterly effect. So I seem to have run out of some of the required colors in the Winsor and Newton Pro Marker sets. I'm bringing out the big guns, my Copics. This is a much more accurate color. I'm not so bothered about the streaky bits. Like, I anyway don't like too much blended results. I like seeing the brush strokes or marker strokes in paintings. Like it's kind of the signature of the artist. Which is great because I'm not super great at blending anyway. Let's try to see if we can add some highlighted sections here. For the very opaque or very white parts, I might need to come in with a jelly roll or something. Okay, so the marker part is done For the color pencils, I took out the Caran Pablo because I remember they have a lot of purples and lilac kind of hues. So I wanted to see how they work on this paper as well as illustration. I used to do full paintings, even portraits, with just color pencils before. Like no base layer, nothing, just color pencils. And now I'm thinking, how did I manage that? Had so much patience. And now I'm like, wow. Even with the marker base, I'm like, whoa, this is taking forever. Stronger highlights. So that is the finished piece. We only did the first page today, I guess. And thanks for watching and hope you liked it. And see you next time. Bye.